MSI GE63 Raider RGB-011 120Hz 3ms 94% NTSC Premium Gaming Laptop. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. Right from the moment the laptop booted I knew I was seeing a huge performance upgrade from my old 2nd Gen i7 desktop. Plus ATH Gen CPU. Cuts through many programs and gets them in your hands fast. Plus 1066 GB NVIDIA. Doesn't slow down on any of the games I have played. LOL. Fallout 4, WoW etc. Plus plenty of RAM. Runs everything it needs to without breaking a sweat. Plus Dragon Center is pretty cool and easy to use. I wish the SSD is bigger than 256 GB. But pretty easy to add one more 512 GB SSD when I found there are one more M.2 slot open. I would recommend this to anyone wanting to get an 8th Gen i7 with only minor upgrade needs in the future. I love it. Been using this for about a month and a half already and have not had any problems with it. I think my only gripe is with the mousepad and its limitations, not really able to adjust it much. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.